Hello everybody out there, how are you and how is your weekend going? The last class we talked about algebraic expressions, and we made it clear that these are expressions that consist of letters and numbers, and they can be in the form of a term, they can be in the form of an expression carrying an operation, either plus, minus, as the case may be. And then we went ahead to show to you how to simplify algebraic expressions considering the like terms and unlike terms. So today we'll be moving further into algebraic equations. But if you know you've not seen that video on algebraic expressions, I think you should have a very quick pause, go over to the YouTube channel or wherever social handle you are using, or TikTok or YouTube. Particularly, we have those videos fully uploaded on YouTube and TikTok. Go over, see those videos, get a very good comprehension of it, and come over to this because that will aid the understanding of this. This is just a follow-up on that particular video and that class. So today we'll be continuing that class by moving further into how to simplify algebraic equations. Now, algebraic equations are different from algebraic expressions. Algebraic equations are formed when algebraic expressions are equated to any number. For example, number 1. Now, 5y plus 7 is an algebraic expression. It's having a number, a letter, and of course, it can have any operation, plus, minus, anyone. And then now it's been equated equal to 32. In algebraic expression, there was no equal to sign. Right now, I will move further by giving you another difference on how to differentiate algebraic equations from algebraic expressions. In algebraic expression, we only have one side. It's just one-sided expression. But in algebraic equations, we have two sides. The left-hand side, LHS, left-hand side, and the right-hand side. Now, the expression before the equal to sign is the left-hand side. The algebraic expression is the left-hand side. Now, the number after the equal to sign is the right-hand side. You must note that. This is just an algebraic expression. This right-hand side now made this expression to become an algebraic equation. Now, let's go further. How do we simplify algebraic equations? Now, the very first thing we need to do, and the aim of this actually is for us to find the value of y. Remember, we said these terms, they stand for different variables. So y could be 3, y could be 4. So you don't do a guesswork on it. You just solve, and then you find the value of y. The essence of this equation, the essence of this simplification is that we should get the value of y. So let's go on. Now, getting the value of y, you have to eliminate all the numbers close to y. You have to eliminate, remove, but you can't do that by cleaning the number off. You can't do that by cancelling the number off. You do that by what? Solving this question. Now, how do you solve? First of all, for us to do because of this operation plus, and the opposite of plus is subtraction. For us to eliminate 7, we have to first of all subtract 7 from both sides. Subtract 7 from both sides. BS means both sides. Subtract 7 from both sides. Remember, we are in the act of elimination. We have to eliminate 7, we eliminate 5, and make y alone. And meanwhile, whatever you are doing to the left hand side, you must do it to the right hand side. Take note. So we go over, the left hand side is 5y plus 7. Remember, we said we are subtracting, so you put minus 7. Left hand side settled. Go to the right hand side, 32 minus 7. Right hand side settled. Now, of course, 7 plus 7 minus 7, it's eliminated. Positive 7, negative 7 gives us 0. 7 minus 7 is 0. So we are left with 5y equals to 32 minus 7 is 25. Now, We can expand this to be 5 times y because 5y means 5 times y. Now, the next thing to do, we are still in the art of elimination. We have successfully eliminated this 7, all right, and we could do that by subtracting 7 from both sides. So it affected the left hand side, also affected the right hand side. The next thing we need to do is to eliminate this 5. How do we eliminate this 5? The operation existing here is times, and the opposite of multiplication is division. So right here we are going to now divide both sides by 5. So 5 times y over 5 equal to 25 over 5. So 25 divided by 5 is 5. Obviously, we are now left with y equals to 5. Did you see that? It's very clear. I think I'll move further to example 2. I think doing example 2 will give us a clearer picture of what this is all about. Now we have 2m minus 9 equals to 13. Of course, this is the left hand side and this is the right hand side. Because of the two sides and the equal to sign, we can say this is an algebraic equation. And the essence of us solving here is to find m, which is the unknown variable. We have to find m. Now, how do we get m? We have to get m by eliminating, removing everything close to m. We have to find a way to remove this 9, remove this 2, m will be a low. And for that to be possible, we have to begin. What operation is this? Subtraction. And the opposite of subtraction is addition. So in this case, we are going to add 9. No, we have to add 9 to a negative 9 so that we can remove it. So add 9 to both sides. Yes, whatever you do to the left hand side must affect the right hand side. I've said that before. I'm repeating it now. Whatever you do to the left hand side, you must do it to the right hand side. So the left hand side, we have 2m minus 9, and we are saying we are adding. So you put plus 9. Then you go to the right hand side, 13 plus 9. Now, of course, we have 2m. Negative 9 minus 9 plus 9, of course, will give us 0. So we are left with 2m there. Then the right hand side, 13 plus 9, 22. Yes. Now, you can expand 2m to become 2 times m. And for us to remove this 2 from m, which is the unknown, because the goal of this simplification is to find m. For us to remove this 2, you are going to divide both sides by 2. So 2 times m over 2, 22 over 2. Of course, we are left with m equals to 22 divided by 2 is 11. That is the answer to this question. Now, this is simply how you simplify algebraic equations. Now, algebraic equations, like I earlier said, they are those algebraic expressions equated to any number. Now, the essence of you simplify is for you to find the unknown. The unknown are those numbers represented by letters. So, from our examples, the unknown here was y and the unknown here was m. So, the goal was for us to find what m stands for and what y stands for, and we successfully did that by what? Simplifying. I also said that whatever you do to the left hand side must be done to the right hand side, and the goal is for us to make the unknown stand on its own and find the value of the word unknown. I'm going to leave you with this video. I know it's going to take you time to go through and get a proper comprehension. Do that. If it will need you to watch the video more than once, like multiple times, do that. And if you, of course, you watch it just at a glance and you got it superb, and I will give you a thumbs up for that. But if you needed to watch more than once, like multiple times, do that. And while you are doing so and it still looks confusing, and that's why I'm here, just drop your questions on the comment section if you want us to do more examples, or if you have more questions, because there are deeper levels to this. There are deeper levels. There are more depth to this. This is not just all there is. There are more depth. There are some algebraic equations that involve the use of brackets, the use of fractions. There are more depth to this. So if you have more problems regarding this topic, drop it on the comment section and it will be treated. Just before I will get to questions, or before I will come back here to your screen, trust in God's ability. Trust the Lord to give you the ability to study, the ability to understand. Yeah, there's this excellent spirit, and it is true. It is real. Excellent spirit is real, and it can come by the Lord. It can come from the Lord. So ask for it, and when you ask, He will give it to you. And keep on studying, give yourself more questions, and always know that Math Genius here loves you and she wants the best from you. You do have a great holiday as you have started enjoying the holiday, and stay good. Bye for now.